Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make a pumpkin pie gag. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees F and prepare a 9-inch pie crust. Mix pumpkin, sugars, eggs, cream, and spices until smooth for a classic filling. Chill the crust briefly before pouring the filling to prevent sogginess. Bake until the center barely jiggles, then cool fully. Refrigerate before serving the gag to maintain texture and surprise. Start by testing the gag with a small batch to ensure safety and effect. Use canned pumpkin, pumpkin puree, or fresh roasted pumpkin for flavor balance. Measure spices precisely and keep sweetening moderate to avoid cloying taste. Thicken with eggs and cream and strain the mixture for a smooth finish. Bake in a prepped crust and allow full cooling to set the gag properly before presenting it. Balance surprise with safety when presenting the pumpkin pie gag to friends. Keep portions small and avoid allergens like nuts or dairy when targeting unfamiliar guests. Reveal slowly to gauge reactions and be ready with a real dessert option. Clean up responsibly and apologize if someone is upset. Use the gag among consenting adults and avoid public spaces or situations that could cause harm or.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.